Welcome dear student. Today we will be discuss about the class 9 chapter motion. The topic is speed, velocity and acceleration. The first is what is the speed? Speed is the rate change of the distance is known as the speed and it's denoted by v. The rate change of the distance d and upon time. Clear? And it's denoted by v or it is the scalar quantity. So it has only magnitude, it has no direction. इसमें कोई भी डायरेक्शन नहीं होती है. Clear? The SI unit of the speed is the meter per second. Clear? The average speed will be, इसकी average speed होगी is equal to average speed is equal to the total distance upon total time taken. Clear? Next is what is the velocity? The velocity, the rate change of the displacement, it is known as the velocity. Clear? The rate change of the displacement with time is known as the velocity. It's denoted by also be v. Clear? Upon delta t, where delta x is the rate change of the displacement and the delta t is the time taken. Clear? It is the vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. क्या है? Direction शो करता है. Clear? The SI unit of the velocity is also meter per second. Meter per second. And the dimension of the velocity LT minus 1. Clear? Clear? The average velocity will be, इसकी average velocity होगी the total distance displacement upon total time taken. Clear? Total displacement upon total time taken. Clear? Next is what is the acceleration? The rate change of the velocity with time is known as the acceleration and it's denoted by the a. Clear? A is equal to the rate change of the velocity with time. Clear? Where delta v is equal to v minus u, where v is the final velocity. Clear? And the u is the initial velocity. Clear? And the SI unit of the acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Clear? And the dimension of the acceleration is LT power minus 2. Clear? Next is the velocity time graph in uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Firstly, in uniform motion ग्राफ शो करेंगे तो वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ. velocity will be constant in the uniform motion. Clear? Because the uniform motion, the velocity is constant with time. Clear? Non-uniform motion, the distance will be equal to the equal time interval. A moving body, equal distance travel with equal time interval. Clear? And the non-uniform motion, the velocity will be changed. Clear? The graph is, because in non-uniform motion velocity are not constant, velocity constant नहीं होती है, so velocity increase and decrease with time. Clear? It's the velocity time graph in uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Thank you very much.